The Tray Designer is the latest addition to the Blender for Dental add-ons, for the free and open-source Blender 2.8. The Tray Designer is perfect for designing your custom trays for 3D printing. Enjoy Blender's amazing visual effects while following the easy tutorials. All aspects of the custom tray are fully adjustable. The handle is automatically imported in a suitable location. It can be scaled or thickened. The length can be adjusted, and you can bend the shape any way you like. There are 4 different handles to choose from, or you may just want to keep it smooth. Trays can be made over other objects, like implant components or crowns. Take full control over all parameters. Adjust the impression spacer where necessary, or you may want to change the thickness of the tray in some areas. The tutorials will show you how to work directly with the mesh. Choose between a rounded border or a beaded border. This can also be adjusted. Use the Model Designer module to cut holes where needed. Explore Blender for Dental's totally unique feature, Paint on Holes, to perforate your tray. Then label your tray with plain text, or you can include your own stunning logo. We aim to make digital dentistry more accessible for all. Please follow us on social media, or visit our website for more information.